So July of 2019, my wife and I were on vacation, and we decided to ride our bicycles downtown to a little coffee shop to get a coffee and a pastry. While riding on a pedestrian path downtown, a drunk driver came out of an alley and ran her over right in front of me. She was very seriously injured. She had to go to the hospital and have a surgery. Was in the hospital for 5 nights. When she got out, we knew there was a long road of recovery ahead of us. We were starting to work with the insurance companies to deal with the expenses that were coming in and the property damage. And it became very apparent that I was in over my head. A combination of taking care of her as well as having to work with the insurance companies was a little overwhelming, as well as our insurance company didn't really seem like they were on our side. So I had a good friend and work associate that was also a cyclist that had been in a serious accident, referred me to Jeff Goodman. We had a conversation with him and liked him and liked his approach and decided to proceed forward with him. Jeff was very, very calm, sort of laid out the steps of what was going to happen, told us what to expect, was our advocate all along the way, and I was able to focus on taking care of my wife and helping her get healthy again, and I knew that Jeff had the rest of it covered for us. Working with Jeff and his team was like working with a well-oiled machine. I mean, they clearly know what they're doing. They're experts in their field. Jeff has a very, very unique perspective. So he is a cyclist. He also, I believe in his career, has worked on the insurance side of this as well as defending people like us. So he kind of understood our problem from multiple different angles. And he was very fair. He was very reasonable in setting our expectations. We knew what to expect with him. His team was amazing. They were all, again, like a well-oiled machine. They were very helpful, and they were there for us all along the way. And I felt like they were always our advocate. We've worked with Jeff for more than a year on this, and I've grown to trust him and trust his wisdom. Hopefully we never have another situation like this for as long as we live, but if we do, I would definitely seek Jeff Goodman's advice. And to be honest with you, if I had any legal issue, I believe I would reach out to Jeff because I trust him.